Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem Starbucks gift card on mobile app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Starbucks, click the Join Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to redeem a Starbucks gift card using the Starbucks app or the mobile app, you need to follow these simple steps. Number one is, if you haven't already, download the Starbucks mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or for Google Store if you are using an Android. Now, you need to make sure that you already have the gift card already. For example, someone gave that to you as a gift, or if you're planning to send that as a gift to someone, to your partner, to your family, loved one, friends, colleagues, client, and a lot more. All you have to do is choose the card that you wanted. For example, we're going to be choosing a card here. Maybe I'm going to choose thank you, happy birthday gift card. All you have to do is you need to select the gift amount. For example, you can choose 20, 25. Well, they only have like 10, 25, 50, and 100. But if you have the financial budget for that, you might want to custom the amount. Say, for example, 1,000 maybe, or 100. Now, you need to put in the recipient name and the recipient's email. If you're the one going to be the recipient's name, you don't have to do that because it's you anyway. And put in your email address. You can also use the short message of the intention. And from there, all you have to do is go to the checkout process and pay for it. And once you've done that, you need to switch over to your Starbucks app where you need to claim the gift card. Now, once on your mobile app, all you have to do is, of course, order your item. Now, I'm looking for a hot espresso right now. Or maybe I'm choosing Cafe Americano or Hazelnut Mocha Macchiato if I wanted. Alright, just select the item that you wanted. Now, on the checkout process, all you have to do is choose the Starbucks gift card, all right? And if you have more questions, all you have to do is just go here at the Starbucks card. And from here, just choose the where can you use my Starbucks card or how do I purchase a Starbucks card, all right? And from there, you just follow the on-screen instructions. And if by any chance you got a problem with your Starbucks gift card, it's not working, it could probably already expired. But if you feel like it's not expired, you need to contact the Starbucks support so that they could give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to redeem your Starbucks gift card on app successfully. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.